My name is James Bancivengo. My company name is Valley Mechanical Services. I'm the owner. We're located in Rockland County, New York. This project is in Nyack, New York. We came about this project a little over 2 years ago. This was an old abandoned bowling alley, which turned into a set of luxury condos. So now in New York, we're no longer allowed major gas to multi-use spaces. So the engineer and architect got together along with myself and the building owner and said, what can we do with this project? I said, of course, we have cold weather heat pumps, which will be perfect for the 26 units in this space. In order for the building owners to get their 26 units that they wanted, they had to add some sustainability products. One of the products was solar, which made our ductless units to the outside or the middle of the building, which was a little bit challenging due to the shaft ways that we had to run our piping up and down between the 3 floors. So when we came across the RD product, we were looking for something to give us line set protection, not only against sunlight and UV deterioration, but we also had to take into consideration traffic of humans, firefighters for inspections, roof solar panel operation inspections, normal roof drain inspections and cleanings. So we had to make sure we had a product that was going to withstand somebody stepping on the product. When we came across the RD product, we felt that that was a good, strong, solid product to protect our line sets. This wasn't our first time we used the RD product. We've used it in years in past, but this was the largest project that we used it on. We purchased all our material from Market Air. It was delivered to the job site, and within a couple of weeks, we were able to finish up our line set management.
The Slimduct RD is perfect for line set protection because of its rigidity, and it allows for protection of the insulation for the line sets to keep it from degrading from the UV. The RD is a durable product that can actually withstand the weight of the snow that falls here in Nyack, as well as protecting the copper line set against extreme temperatures on the rooftops when it can reach 100+ degrees in the summertime.
We find ourselves going back to the RD product for a couple of reasons. One is rigidity, 2 is durability, and 3 is overall appearance. We feel at the end of the job, it makes it really look like a nice, clean installation.